Issues are used by teams to identify and communicate areas of concern or suggested improvements within project documents or models. Issues in BIM Collaborate extend to teams working in Revit, Navisworks, Autodesk Docs, and Autodesk Build. When a clash requires further attention, you can create a corresponding issue directly from Model Coordination. Select the clashing object in the model or the left panel and click Create Issue. Then place the push pin in the model. The Issues panel provides clear accountability and relevant details to identify and resolve issues quickly. Fill in the details, select an assignee, then close the Issue panel. Issues created from clashes in Model Coordination are found in the Assigned subtab in the Clashes tab, and the assignee is notified by email. Clicking on the clash will open it in the Model Viewer. The Issues panel on the right displays details including the model names, ID numbers of clashing objects, due date, and location. You can also add references, comments, and update the status of the issue. Clashes or groups of clashes can be marked as not an issue and found using the grouping or tolerance tools. Issues can be resolved in Revit using the free Revit Issues add-in from the Autodesk App Store. Designers and detailers in Revit can view issue pins, details, the status, and due date of issues created in Model Coordination. They can even view clashes against other models in the coordination space and open issues or clashes on the web directly from Revit. Once a Revit user resolves the issue, they can change the status to In Review or Closed, which will be reflected in the issue in Model Coordination and throughout the ecosystem. Revised models from Revit will be updated on the following publish date or with a manual upload. BIM managers using Navisworks can also investigate and assign issues using the free Navisworks Coordination Issues add-in from the Autodesk App Store. This add-in provides access to models, views, and issues directly from the desktop application. Within Navisworks, select an issue to view and run more detailed clash tests. Add recommendations or assign to the appropriate stakeholder. Clash highlighting generated in Autodesk BIM Collaborate will also appear in the viewer of Navisworks. BIM managers can propose a solution to the clash, reassign the issue, and change the issue status.